Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video where we'll be exploring the beautiful country of Burundi. Whether you're a Burundian or just curious about the world, stick around as we uncover 5 fascinating facts about this vibrant nation. Did you notice the shape of the country is shaped similar to a heart? Yes, it really is the heart of Africa. Let's dive in. Fact number 1. Geography and natural beauty. Burundi is a landlocked country located in East Africa, bordered by Rwanda to the north, Tanzania to the east and south, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo to the west. One of the most stunning natural features of Burundi is Lake Tanganyika, the second deepest lake in the world. The country is also known for its picturesque landscapes, including rolling hills, mountains, and rivers, making it a hidden gem for nature lovers. Fact number 2. Cultural heritage. Burundi has a rich cultural heritage that is deeply rooted in its traditions and customs. The Burundian people take great pride in their traditional dances, music, and festivals. The indoor dance, performed by warriors, and the batimbo drummers are some of the most famous cultural expressions. Community and family are central to Burundian life, and these traditions play a significant role in bringing people together. Fact number 3. Historical milestones. Burundi has a fascinating history marked by colonization and the struggle for independence. After being colonized by Germany and later Belgium, Burundi gained its independence on July 1, 1962. Key historical figures, such as Prince Louis Rwagasore, who played a crucial role in the independence movement, are celebrated to this day. Independence Day is a significant event in Burundi, filled with celebrations and reflections on the nation's journey. Fact number 4. Wildlife and national parks. Burundi is home to diverse wildlife and stunning natural habitats. Kibera National Park and Ruvubu National Park are two of the most notable protected areas, offering a glimpse into the country's rich biodiversity. These parks are home to various species, including chimpanzees, antelopes, and numerous bird species. Efforts to protect and preserve this wildlife are ongoing, ensuring that future generations can enjoy Burundi's natural beauty. Fact number 5. Economy and agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of Burundi's economy, with coffee and tea being the most important cash crops. Burundian coffee is known for its high quality and unique flavor, making it a sought-after commodity worldwide. Besides coffee and tea, the country also produces bananas, maize, and beans. These industries play a crucial role in the daily lives of Burundians, providing livelihoods for many. And there you have it, 5 fascinating facts about Burundi. From its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage to its significant historical milestones and vital agricultural economy, Burundi is truly a remarkable country. We hope this video inspires you to learn more and maybe even visit one day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content about countries around the world. See you next time.